Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and my short and sweet tutorial how to make number 2. This number 2 looks a bit curly, but it's perfect for embroidery if you need to attach numbers to your project. In this case, I'm working on advent calendar and I'm using these numbers for advent calendar. The size of this number is approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters, and I'm going to use 3 millimeters crochet hook and then double knit yarn, any preference, any color, and you will need scissors to finish it off. So let's move on to our number 2. We're going to start our number 2 with chain of 18 stitches. Let's do our chain of 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We have a chain of 18 stitches. Then we're going to start from the second chain. So we're going to skip our last chain and move to this chain. And we're going to start with single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. We've done single crochet in next 2 stitches. Now we are moving to next step, which will be decrease of 4 stitches at once. So let's get our decrease of 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's our 4 stitches on a hook, and we'll go through one massive decrease. So we did our massive decrease. Our next step will be 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's how our number 2 looks now. Next step will be increase in next 5 stitches. So we're going to do 5 increases in total. Let's do our increases. Increase 1, increase 2, increase 3, increase 4, and increase 5. And what we've got left now is only 1 stitch, and in that last stitch I'm just going to do 1 single crochet. That's my number 2 is almost complete. I am just going to cut yarn off. I need to leave long tail for sewing because I'm going to embroider it. Going to get yarn through our last stitch, and that's how our number 2 looks like. It's a bit curly, but when you embroider it to your project, it sits just perfect. So number 2 is done. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and in the description below you can find a link to my blog where you're gonna find written pattern for this short and sweet number 2. As well, I would appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and support my work. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video tutorials.